Hello, Group 3. This is on substitution. Quite an easy part, I would say, if you know how to use your calculator properly. So we gotta find the value of A, we gotta substitute a value. A is a subject, so directly just calculate. We're substituting 7 into B, just directly calculate over here. So you basically put exactly what you write. So 3 bracket 7 minus 5 bracket, answer is 6. Alright, so quite straightforward. Next, what if the value is 12? We're not doing that, we'll do another question. Alright, over here. So we still need to practice because the way you use your calculator is not going to be perfect, I would say. Here we substitute bracket 4, we substitute 9. If there are two numbers next to each other, put a bracket to both of them. And then for t, you can directly just put -4 plus 1. Alright, here is where we need to pay attention. It's either you calculate this first and the top one separately, so it's going to be 9, 18, 27, 36. 36 over -4 plus 1 is -3. Or if you want to calculate all at once, so if you do 36 divided by -3, it will be -12. If you want to calculate all at once, you need to put an extra bracket on the top and an extra bracket at the bottom. So it's going to be 4 bracket 4 times 9, close the bracket, divided by open bracket -4 plus 1. Because you have to calculate the bottom one first. That's why this bracket's super important when you're doing it all at once. So you should get -12 as well. Okay, be really careful. I think this part is quite important as well. You need to know how to use your calculator. So I'm randomly going to find some questions. Here, find the value of A, substitute 10 plus 8, and then -5 divided by 5. So again, if you want to calculate all at once, you need to put a big bracket here, or you can go slowly. I think we go slowly will be the best. So we go slowly. We calculate the top side first separately. 3 times 10 plus 8 times -5. -10, and then the bottom 5. Once you have a single number in the top, single number at the bottom, then you do the division. -10 divided by 5 will give you -2. Okay, I think that would be much better for everybody. So we move on to a more difficult question. Yeah, I think I'll give a question about this one. Let's go here first. If it's a square, just put a power 2. I think you know what's a power 2 anyways. Bracket 2 plus 6, bracket 4, minus 3, bracket -3 square. Don't forget the negatives inside and include the negative in your calculation. Actually, you can put all of these together in your calculator. Just put exactly what you write down. And you will get -1. So the answer for this is -1. So yeah, and then we go to a worded question. I will probably give you a question about this, worded as well. The monthly maintenance cost is $6 for a flower garden of area A meters square can be calculated with the formula, that one. The larger the area, the more cost you're gonna have. Find C, right? C is 600 plus 80 times 40. A becomes 40. So you just calculate it. 600 plus 80 times 40 will be 3,800. The next part is quite complicated. Well, it gets more complicated, I would say. C is 6,200. It's on the left side. So you would notice that the number is on the left side. Then we have 600 plus 80, A. So basically you have to solve A. You just stay calm, move the numbers around. You want to have the letters on the left, so I'm going to swap them. 600 plus 80A equals to 6,200. I just swap places left and right. Then you move 600 first because that's furthest away from A. So you have ATA equals to 6,200 minus 600. You get 5,600. 80A. 80 times A, the opposite will be divide. So on the right side will be 5,600 divided by 80. So 5600 divided by 80 is 70. So the answer for this question is 70. That's it for this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.